too.
Huh?
Limited edition.
Damn, and you get a drink?
Hell yeah, brother.
Check that shit.
Limited edition, boy.
Alright, we're ready for a 3-hour fucking drive. Yeah, so this is me and Yanni. We're stepping into the Airbnb for the first time. Isn't that kind of crazy? Amazing. Whoa, this is where we're staying. What the hell? You do some freaky stuff in there.
Oh, the bed feels so good though. You got a printer in bro. What the fuck?
Yo, my hair is crazy right now. Holy shit.
And the washer and the dishes.
Damn, look at that beautiful blue sky. Man's just carrying water. He's gonna lose gallons. He almost lost gallons. And to what? We're not even at Ultra yet. God. Damn. And we got some groceries in here. We're gonna throw some fresh content for you. What do we got? We got some strawberry banana.
My bitch.
You got some mango. Oh, look at that shit. What else we got in here? Trash. Basura. We got some alani. I don't know where that's from. Yeah, this is not a sponsored video, guys. Or is it? It could. God, guys. We're gonna do an unboxing of the cheesecake. The cheesecake.
Fucking crack it.
Cheesecakes. I've been waiting forever for this. It's the cheesecake, guys. You guys would understand. This is the cheesecake. Not just any cheesecake. This is the New York baked deli style cheesecake from Trader Joe's. It's a cheesecake. Whoa!
Damn, it's wrapped and everything.
Holy shit!
Right, so I feel like I gotta kind of like, yeah.
Yo, we're already fucked, boys. Yeah. I'm already fucking feeling it, boys.
These dumbasses have already drunk.
Look at the Miami. I'm only Uber. I don't know them. I'm only fucking Ubering. Look at this guy. He's a superhero. We lost a soldier. He was a good one. A good fight. He fought a good battle. I wish, God willing, inshallah.
Holy water, lemon.
Whoa, where did that come
Some water. Where's this water from? From Planet X. Planet X water. Can't even see us.
That's okay. They can feel the energy.
You want to do a little jiggle for us? Can't even see us. Feeling?
I'm feeling alive, boy.
Feeling?
Tired as my fucking toe hurts.
The situation outside Factory Town.
Huh?
I'm talking to the camera. It's very reminiscent of EDC. Yeah. It's freaking chaotic.